Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can use clone node. For that I have two lists. First unordered list is list1 and another is list2. Okay, now this is the file format of my document. Okay, this is index.html. Within this folder we have script.js and I connect this script with the help of script tag. Now after that, here I use where target equals to document.getElementById, and here I provide the list1 id because we are targeting this list. Okay, here we provide list1 and after that we use dot, and here we provide children. Why? Because it has children, 1 children, 2 children, 3 and 4. It has 4 children. Okay, and we provide the index which value we have to copy or clone. Okay, now after that we use where copy element equals to target dot clone node, and after that we provide round braces, and after that we provide the semicolon. It required parameter, but boolean parameter, true or false. Now first see without parameter. Let's print this with the help of console.log. after that we provide copy element and then semicolon. Now let's say, you can see nothing is changed. Why? Because we are using console, so we have to inspect and go to the console. Okay, we go to here. You can see we have list without any value, without any text node. Why? Because it has parameter either true or false. By default, if we not provide, it is false. If we provide here true, now let's say we got the element with text node. Okay, if we provide false, you can see false. Now let's say it will give you only the list, not the text value. Why? Similarly, if we change the children number 0 to 1, you can see we copy the first element, and now we are going to append this. Now after copying, we have to append this in our this element. We have to append this in our another list. Okay, for that we use where target 1 equals to document.getElementById, and after that we provide the id name list2, and here we use semicolon. Now we use target 1 dot append child, and here we provide the name of the child that we want to append. This is copy element. Now after that we provide semicolon, or we can directly do this in single line without any variable. I just cut this and paste here. Okay, I just remove, and we don't need this because we don't need to store this in any variable. Now let's save. You can see the change. We got apple here also. Okay, similarly you can append of any div, paragraph or h1 text or element with the help of clone node. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.